this video we are going to discuss about the rate constant. First of all, what is rate constant? Rate constant is basically known as a velocity constant, or we can say that as a specific reaction rate. Alright, for example, rate of reaction is equal to the Kx and y. This is the rate law expression, because as you guys all know the rate law, what is rate law? That is the concentration of the reactant which is directly proportional to the rate of reaction. All right, so consider that if concentration of all species become 1, all right, we are calling that as a unity. All right, concentration of the all the species become what? Unity, which is 1. Then the rate of reaction will be equal to the K, which is a K constant. All right, so what will be the general formula or the unit of the K? All right, so the K basically depend upon the order of reaction. Let's find out how let's find out what is the unit of or the general formula of the K, and then we will see that how we can find out the order of reaction. All right, so for example, we are having the rate of reaction which is equal to the K. We have taken a concentration of the reactant A and B. X and Y are what? X and Y are the order of reaction, and these are basically the experimental values. All right, so if we have to find the K, we can write it ROR, rate of reaction, is equal to the A, X and B, Y. So K is equal to, as you guys all know, the rate of reaction. We have found out the formula or unit of the rate of reaction we found in the previous video, that was mole per dm cube into the second inverse. All right, so this is the unit of the rate of reaction. And now if we talk about the unit of the concentration, that was mole per dm cube. This is mole per dm cube of the X A concentration, and mole per dm cube of what? Of Y or B concentration. All right, so we can write a K is equal to the mole per dm cube into the second inverse, and we can write here that mole into dm cube x plus y. Alright, we have taken a one equation, x plus y. Alright, these are same, that's why. Now if we write about the K, so these both are what? These both are same, so we can write here that mole per dm cube like this. And as you guys all know, x and y, x plus y, which is what? Which was the order of reaction, which was equal to the n. And how to find the n, that we are going to discuss in the next video, or not in the next video, we are going to discuss in this video. So n, so we can write a mole per dm cube, and here it is 1. Alright, so we can write 1 minus n is what? N is the x and y and second inverse. So that is the general formula, the unit of the K constant. All right, so this is the rate constant K. We have found out the unit. Consider that, for example, if the order of reaction is 0, n is equal to 0. All right, so we will find it out how we are having the unit. We have found it out, that is what? That is this 1, and here we are having the n. All right, here 1 minus n. N is what? N is 0. Second inverse. All right, so we can write here K is equal to the mole into dm cube into the second inverse. 1 into 0 will be 0, second inverse. So this is the unit of the K when the order of reaction is 0. All right, so this is the unit of K when